Hi, this is Vijay from Arowana Automation, and I'm at Green Room, and Sohil is actually shooting the video. You might want to turn the camera this side to say hi. Hi. So the lighting has come up at Green Room and it's come out beautifully. So what we have done to the lights is, it's a very customized spectrum for Green Room. It has a mix of far reds, blues, UVs incorporated, and all of these are super high quality chips with very high micromoles per joule and a high CRI wherever relevant. So what we'll do is, I have my spectrometer here, so let's do a quick analysis of how these lights are performing. As it is, the Green Room will be sharing the growth updates going forward on Insta. Follow them very closely. So let me take a reading of what these lights are doing. So we have a PPFD of 122, and this is how the graph looks. So brilliant lights. I hope Green Room has a fantastic time with them, and we should see some amazing produce coming up. Do follow them. Thank you.